Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope all is well, girl. I'm about to take up my makeup and I haven't done a video about skincare in a while. I just wanted to show you guys what I use at night. I use very simple things, but these things are my holy grail. I use them every single day for my skin, and I get a lot of compliments on my skin. Now, to get good skin, it starts not only on the outside, it starts on the inside as well. This year, I really start taking care of my skin, even though I have these products. Like one day I will use it, the next day I won't. I will like, I don't feel like, cleaning my face today. And one of the products that I really love, I bought it like 3 times already. It's really good, and I'll share with you guys. And if you're new here, I have dry skin and I just use things that works for my skin. I have sensitive skin as well, and these products don't irritate my skin. It works perfectly fine. I don't really use expensive things. I just stick with what I like, and we good. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my makeup first. I'm just gonna pin this on the side here so it won't be in my face. Okay, let me just take off my earring, so that won't be in the way. So the first thing that I do, take off my makeup, and what I use is baby wipes. Okay, this is the baby wipes that I use, and this is from Walgreens. The name is Smile and Save. This is the only brand that I use. $2 for this. You get 120 wipes in there, and this works pretty good for me, and it's very soft, girl. This takes off my makeup really good. Well, I used to use Neutrogena before, I started using this. And Neutrogena, I don't like their product. It irritates my skin a lot. So I just start using baby wipes for my skin because it just works a little bit more better. And it takes up the makeup pretty good. See? I don't have any problem. Let me take up my brows. Ooh, girl. So I use a lot of these baby wipes because I go over maybe like 3 times just to make sure that all the makeup comes off. So I'm gonna do one side first so you guys can see. Like, my face improved a lot over the years. I have a lot of moles on my face. Some of the black marks that you see on my face are moles. So you need to eat healthy if you want healthy skin, clear skin. I don't even drink alcohol or anything like that. I don't know the last time I had alcohol. I don't drink soda or anything like that. I don't eat fast food. I eat very clean. This also helped me with my skin journey. If I don't clean my face good, I do break out, so I have to be careful. So I'm just going to take out the lipstick. And you see how it takes out the makeup really good. I have a little discoloration right there. And you guys know this is where I focus more. I love how my skin looks. Looks really good. Even though I'm breaking out right now, right here. I'm even breaking out under my neck. Like, I think it's the heat. So I had issues with my neck as well, and oh my gosh, my neck clears up really nice. I still have a little discoloration in the middle here, but it's going away. But anyway, after I take off the makeup, I use a cleanser, and this is a cleanser that I use. This is from CETAPHIL. This is the only one that I use. This is the daily facial cleanser. This is for normal to oily skin, and I like the normal to oily skin. The texture, it feels more better. I don't like the dry skin one. It's a little too drying for my skin. Even though I have dry skin, I don't like it. This remove excess oil without drying. This is the bomb. And I also bring it down on my neck. Just to rub it in. Just gonna rub everything in. And this smells so good, and it actually does not irritate my skin at all. So this actually works for my dry skin pretty good. Face feels very smooth after I take this off. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go wash this off really quick. Okay, so this is how my face look after I use the product. I feel like my skin still needs to be clean. So I go in with this witch hazel here. This is what I use. I use the original witch hazel. This is a cotton pads that I use from Target. This is around $2 for them. You get like 50 in a pack, and this is really soft on my skin. So this is what it looks like here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of my witch hazel and I just go over just to make sure that, you know, I don't have any makeup on my face. Now this witch hazel works pretty good for my skin. It don't burn my skin or anything. I used to use Garnier and oh my gosh, it's not really good for my skin, so I stopped using it. So I only use witch hazel. Cause see, I still have makeup on my skin, and I just go over under here to take off the mascara that I have. But I go over maybe like 2 or 3 times just to make sure that everything comes off. Let me know in the comments below if you guys ever use the products I'm showing you guys today. Like, these are pretty cheap. You don't really need to, you know, spend so much money on skincare products. The drugstore has cheap products that works, and I just like to keep it local, girl. One thing about me, when something works for me, I just stick to it. If you have sensitive skin and you're using the witch hazel, if you use too much of it, your skin gonna burn. And this is what I'm experiencing right now, but it's because I go over like 2 or 3 times. I don't think you're supposed to be doing that because it does irritate the skin, but I just want to make sure that everything comes off. So these are the products I use to clean my face. I really don't put a lot of things on my face, but at nighttime is different from daytime. Nighttime, I just stick to maybe like 2 products for my skin. I've been using this product to take off my dark spots on my face for years. Maybe like 2 years I've been using this. If you guys been following me for a while, this company reached out to me to do a review for them, and since then I've been using their product. So this is from Good Molecules, okay? And I'm gonna rave about this because it works really good. To know if a product works for you, you gotta keep using it. You just can't use it for 1 week and like, oh my god, it's not working for me. You just gotta keep on using it. This is the Discoloration Correcting Serum. Girl, this is the bomb.com and it works. I don't know what else to say to you guys. This thing works for me. I don't know if you're new here, but if you go back to my old videos, girl, my face was messed up. Now my skin look really good. Before, my skin looked really bad. I was using a lot of things for discoloration and it was not working. When Good Molecules sent this to me, I just keep on going back and buy it. This is my 3rd bottle, okay, and I've been using this for 2 years. This is the first one. This is the one. It's on empty. Okay, so this is the one they sent to me. Have a new version, which is the 2.0. So this is the 1.1. This is the old version. I don't want to like make up things to you guys because I'm very honest. So this is the old one. This is empty. And I kept this because I want you guys to see I actually use this. This is the second one. This is almost done. This is the 1.1. And this is it here. See, almost done. And I recently just got the 2.0. This is a new one. Targets discoloration and promotes an even skin tone. Apply on cleansed skin. Allowed to fully observe before applying additional serums, facial oils, or moisturizer. Suitable for daily use. You could use it AM and you could use it PM. I only use it in the night because I feel like it works more better for me at night. Girl, if you have discoloration, just get it. Try it. This is only $12 at Ulta. You can get it on their website. So I'm just gonna, you know, take a little bit. I'm trying to get it out because this is almost done. I think it's done, you know. Is it done? Oh yes, it's done. I forgot. Okay, so I'm gonna use the new one. I think it's the same thing. I don't see anything different. I don't see any difference with the older version and the new one. They look the same. It's the same amount, 1.3 ounce. They say shake well before use, apply on clear skin. So let me just shake it. Okay, so release note version 2.0. Good Molecule uses customer feedback to make improvement. So I'm gonna just, ooh, this new one is a little bit more watery. The older one was a little bit more thicker. So I guess they changed something about it. Okay, and I just recently picked this up as well because I wanted a new one. I don't think I'm gonna use anything else for my skin. This just works pretty good. Okay. And I also put it on my neck because I have little discoloration down there. Remember I've been telling you guys about my neck? When I had discoloration on my neck, this is what I've been using. Remember I got burned from one of the, I think it was Good Miracles. I used one of their, I forgot one of the stuff I used, girl, and it burned my neck. And I've been using this to take off the discoloration. So never forget your neck, okay? You want to make sure that your neck get the same treatment as your face. And I also put makeup on my neck, so I have to make sure that I give it the same loving. Okay, so it dries down pretty fast. This one dries down a little faster than the 1.1. The 1.1 I had to wait maybe like 2 to 3 minutes, you know, but this one dries down pretty fast. So I see a difference. So hopefully this one works. And this is good for all skin type. See how my skin look very hydrated? Morning, in the daytime I'll put a moisturizer, but in the nighttime I go in with Retinol. So this is the Retinol that I use from The Ordinary. This is the Retinol that I use here, and this is maybe $6. I'm almost done. I need another bottle as well. I don't know if you guys can see, but girl, I'm almost done. I use this every single night. Okay, so apply a small amount to face in the PM as part of your skincare regimen after water-based serum, but before heavy treatments. Do not use with other retinol treatments. So this is good for a sign of aging. That's what retinol is for, but this has 0.5%. Getting older, and I need to start now. So I start using Retinol. I don't have any sign of aging yet, but girl, you gotta start early. You can't wait until you get to stuff. You know what I'm saying? Using this product early will save me. You know, stop the age process. And I do like the oil. You know, they have other ones, you know, other retinols available, you know, if you don't like the oil base. But I do like the oil base because I have dry skin. And it makes my skin feel very, very smooth, and you know, it looked dewy. And I also put it around the lips. I don't know if you guys remember, maybe like 2017, 18, if you guys been following me for a while, I had really dark spots around my lips. Using the retinol and the discoloration, it actually helped me around the lips pretty good. I'm also gonna put it on the neck, girl. You can't forget the neck. You know, if you don't like all this glow, you know, you could just use whatever retinol that you have. And you just want to make sure you get the neck. So let me see if I have a little bit of this. I want to show you guys what the 1.1 looks like. I think I have a little bit. Oh yeah, okay, I have a little bit. So this is the 1.1 discoloration. You see how thicker it is? You see, it's a little bit more watery. Hopefully it works because this is my first time using this one. But this is the 1.1, the older version, and this is 2.0. I'm just gonna rub it on my hand. The next thing I use is a Clean and Clear Advanced Acne Spot Treatment. So you could use this, you know, to put on your acne, but because I have the discoloration serum, I don't need to put this on the acne, but if you want to, you can. This works pretty good. This is acne spot treatment, and it's oil free. 100% of people showed clearer skin in just one day. I don't know about that, but this works really good if you have a pimple coming up and you don't want to bust it. You don't want it to like swell up too big. This is what you need in your collection, child. Listen, it's almost done. Sometimes I have to like really squeeze to get a little bit. I don't even know if they sell that at Walgreens, but I usually get this on the Amazon website. So what I do is I just take a little bit and put on my pimple right there, and I just rub it in. It does burn a little bit, especially if you have a new pimple that just came up, girl, it burns. So if you pop it, don't put this on it. I really want my dark spots to go away, so sometimes I will just put a little bit, you know, on top of it. It does burn, especially if you have new acne, girl. I have a few acne, girls, so I'm gonna put on the spots as well where I have it. It works pretty good on my dark spots. So I'm gonna take a little bit and put here. I don't really need to put it all over, like I said, because you know the discoloration works, but You know, sometimes I just put a little bit there. I don't really have a lot. I have a lot of moles on my face, but you know. So if you want your pimple to go down faster, you need this Clean and Clear. I'm going to put it down below if you want to try it out. I don't know if you guys remember when I had this pimple here. The spot is going away, so I'm going to put a little bit there as well. It had this like the cooling sensation. You could feel it when you put it on the skin. Only on the fresh pimple. And the last thing I do is I've been complaining about my wrinkles. Okay, your girl was in college on that computer with lights and everything. And sometimes I get stressed, you know, I get stressed out, you know, sometimes I cry, I have my days, you know what I'm saying? And I have little wrinkles. Now my wrinkles are not that bad because I've been using this. I'm not even sure if it's working, girl, but this is the only product that don't irritate my skin. So I picked it up a month ago. And this is it. This is number 7. This is a Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Eye Cream. Visible improved deep lines and wrinkles. Younger looking skin in just 2 weeks. I don't know about that. I'm gonna be straight. I don't know about the 2 weeks thing. I've been using this every single day, morning and night. And I don't see a big change, but I'm gonna keep on using it. Now I used to use Retinol. Is it Retinol or Rock? Is that the brand? Rock, I think it is. Everyone rave about this product, but it burns my skin, so I stopped using it. I went to Ulta and I was asking them about a wrinkle cream that don't burn, and they recommend this one, and it don't burn my skin, so I could put it all over and I don't feel no irritation. So if you have sensitive skin, girl, get this. Very smooth under the eyes, and I put it all the way here, and I put it on my eyelid as well. The Rock, I couldn't do that. The Rock, I couldn't put it all over my eyes. It would irritate my skin. Okay, girl, and I just put it there and I'm good to go. And it don't leave any white cast or anything. It just feels very soft. You know, you have to start early, girl. You can't start late. You gotta start early when you're seeing signs of lines on your face. You gotta try to slow it down a little bit. So I'm gonna let you guys know if it works. I don't know. I can't even tell you guys if it works, because I haven't seen any big improvement yet. Like I said, you just gotta keep on using the products to see if it works for you. So these are all the products that I use for my nighttime routine. Let me know what you guys think about this video. We'd love to hear what you guys have to say, and if you use any of these products, let me know in the comments below. I will have all the information down below if you guys want to pick up anything. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.